guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance 2-way. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old, who are able to do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got to look at the New Balance 2-way. These are basketball sneakers worn by the great Kawhi Leonard. We've got a sneaker size 8, European 42, and it is a men's US size 9. Look here, and here they are, very vibrant. I didn't expect anything less from the fun guy of the NBA. And so we start with the outsole. So this outsole it's essentially an all rubber outsole, but the way that New Balance addressed it in their product descriptions on their website, it said it was data driven. Now we did a little digging, and that is incorporating a 3D printing of where the traction needs to be. And to be fair, there's a lot of traction on this sneaker. You can see it all around. It's a very nice touch. You got the nice clear bits here, the New Balance logo, and it's like a little dash. It's quite fast. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So you got the fuel cell midsole here. This is New Balance's basketball, and they've used it in their skate shoes as well. It's there for the comfort and cushioning for the underside of your foot. You look along onto this upper, it's all knitted, it's all synthetic materials, and again, like I mentioned, very vibrant in colors. I mean, Kawhi is Mr. Fun. Now these sneakers are called the 2-way, and it's just to show that Kawhi is one of the greatest 2-way players to ever stepped in the league, which he is. And you got the 2-way logo here. The tongue isn't that padded, so I'm a bit weary about that, but the ankle collar is very nicely padded. This is obviously synthetic materials that make the tongue, the 2-way logo here. Round laces, normal lace enclosure found at the tongue. Again, you look at the toe box, so you've got this heat pressed plastic. It feels like it's suede, but it isn't. The knit on the underlays, and it makes the majority of the sneaker. And if you're wondering where the New Balance logo is, if you look along where the outsole continues all the way to the toes, you see New Balance there. You look at the side of the sneaker, you've got a nice, this feels more leather. Well, I'm pretty sure it's synthetic leather though, but you can see it here, collar, the heel clip with the New Balance logo right there. Nice pull tabs, synthetic insole, and the writing. So the writing, there's a lot of writing here. I'm not going to read it out to you guys, but you got the New Balance logo here as well. Now, I can't wait to try this on. I wasn't a big fan of the Omni ones, so we have done a review of Kawhi's first New Balance sneakers. They felt a bit too tight, and they were a bit uncomfortable around the ankle. So with the low cut here, I'm expecting these to be a bit better. The way that the silhouette is, it reminds me of a KD, but obviously that's Nike. I mean, I do like New Balance. They're making big strides in regards to the sports and the athletes that they've signed and the models that they have. So I've got high expectations when it comes to New Balance sneakers. Hopefully these meet these expectations, and these are going to be my new basketball sneaker. We'll see. Let's show that on the feet. Let's go. When it comes to the fit, guys, I would suggest you get your European size. So European, I'm a size 42. These are the right size to get. When it does come to New Balances, I usually get a size 7.5. Like my 990s, 327s, all of that. But when it comes to the basketball sneakers, I feel like I need a bit more space. To be fair, these feel like they have my whole support. They're supporting my whole feet. I mean, it's really nice, locked down, very comfortable. So whereas the Omni were really tight and I feel like they were holding down my ankles, these have a nice balance of comfortable, but I feel very secure in these. Very nice colorway, very vibrant with blue, orange and yellow. You can see it here. And this further makes proof that Kawhi is a fun guy. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. If you guys want to see us take these to the streets, take these to the courts, you know, give you a nice practical review, let us know in the comment section below. We need to know if you guys want that kind of content. Again, thank you guys. Follow us at Oneupreviewz again. I know I said that before, but I'm so used to saying it. So that's with a Z at the end on the Instagram account. Until next time, peace.